In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Safe Search on your Google Chrome browser when using a laptop or computer. Safe Search is a handy feature that helps filter out explicit content from your search results, but there might be times when you need to turn it off to get a broader range of search results. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. This is where we'll begin our process. Once you've got Google's homepage up in front of you, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll notice a few options there, and what you're looking for is a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This is where we'll be making the necessary adjustments. Once you've clicked Settings, a small menu will appear. Select Search Settings from this menu. It may look like just another click, but it's important. It will take you to a new tab dedicated to configuring different aspects of your search experience. On this new tab, you'll find a left-hand sidebar with several options. Here, we're interested in the Safe Search option. Go ahead and click it. Now you're on the Safe Search settings page. Your goal here is to find the option labeled Explicit Results Filter. You'll see a switch next to this label. If Safe Search is currently turned on, the switch will be in the on position, perhaps highlighted or colored to indicate its active status. To turn off Safe Search, simply toggle this switch to the off position. Flipping this switch off will disable the filter that keeps explicit content out of your search results. A question you might have at this point is whether you'll need to save these changes manually. The good news is, as soon as you toggle that switch, your preferences are saved automatically. You don't need to hunt for a save button or worry about losing your changes. It's all taken care of seamlessly by Google. With that, you can now head back to the main google.com page. Simply click on the Google icon or enter google.com in the address bar to return to the home page. Safe Search has now been turned off, so any searches you perform going forward will be conducted without the explicit content filter. Remember, it's important to toggle Safe Search off only if you're comfortable with the types of content you may encounter in your search results. If at any time you need to reverse this change, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back to the on position. That wraps up our tutorial on turning off Safe Search in Google Chrome on a laptop or computer.